Samsung has launched the Galaxy S25 FE on September 4, 2025, and this phone is already creating a buzz. It is the fifth model in the S25 series, and just like earlier fan edition models, it brings many premium features at a more affordable price. What makes this year's Galaxy S25 FE interesting is that Samsung has given it for major upgrades. These improvements make the phone one of the strongest value-for-money options in 2025. The first big upgrade is the software. The Galaxy S25 FE comes with One UI 8 based on Android 16 right out of the box. This is important because all the other models in the S25 series, the standard S25, the S25, the S25 Ultra, and the S25 Edge were launched with One UI 7 on Android 14. So, the cheaper FE model actually comes with newer software than the flagship models, which is quite unusual. Something like this has only happened once before, with the Galaxy S25 FE in 2022. That phone also launched with fresher software compared to the main S21 lineup. Samsung now promises 7 generations of Android and One UI updates for its top phones. Because of this, the Galaxy S25 FE will end up receiving one extra update compared to the other S25 models. This means it will stay supported for longer, making it a great choice for people who want a phone that remains useful and secure. For many years, the second upgrade is the battery. Samsung has been increasing battery capacity in its FE series step by step. Older models like the S20 FE, S21 FE, and S23 FE had 4,500 mAh batteries. Last year, the S24 FE improved that with a 4,700 mAh battery. Now, the S25 FE goes even further, with a 4,900 mAh battery. This is the same size battery as the Galaxy S25 Plus. Samsung may have reused the same part here, but what matters most is the result. Users now get longer battery life than ever before in an FE model. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or using your phone all day, the S25 FE is built to last longer without frequent recharges. The third upgrade is the selfie camera. The S23 FE and S24 FE used a 10-megapixel front camera. With the S25 FE, Samsung has improved it to a 12-megapixel selfie camera. On paper, this may not look like a massive change, but it does make photos sharper, clearer, and more detailed. What's even more interesting is that the main Galaxy S24 and S25 phones also use 12-megapixel selfie cameras. While we don't know if it's exactly the same sensor, the matching megapixel count suggests it could be very similar. Because the phone runs on One UI 8 and Android 16, you also get the newest camera features right away, including advanced options like log video recording. This means the S25 FE not only catches up with the flagship models in selfie quality, but also comes with powerful software tools for taking photos and recording videos. The fourth big upgrade is charging speed. For the first time, the Galaxy S25 FE supports 45-watt super-fast charging. Previous FE phones were limited to 25-watt charging, which was much slower. With 45-watt charging, the S25 FE joins the S25 Plus and S25 Ultra in offering quicker charging speeds. Here's what this means in real life. With 25-watt charging, Samsung usually offers around 50% charge in about 30 minutes. With 45-watt charging, the S25 FE can reach up to 65% in the same time. When you combine this with its larger 4,900 mAh battery, the result is a phone that lasts longer and charges faster. That's great for people who don't have time to wait around while their phone powers up. The only downside is that, like other Samsung models, the S25 FE does not come with a charger in the box. If you want to enjoy 45-watt charging, you'll have to buy a compatible charger separately. When you look at all of these upgrades together, the Galaxy S25 FE becomes a very attractive phone. It may not have all the premium features of the Ultra model, but it delivers many important improvements at a lower price. With its modern software, large battery, faster charging, and improved camera, the S25 FE looks like one of the smartest choices of 2025 for anyone who wants a well-balanced phone without spending too much. This fan edition is hard to ignore.